Hey everyone, you're welcome once again to my channel. So today's video I'm going to show you how to create a simple e-flyer design just as you're seeing on my screen right now using your smartphone. All right, so if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so now let's get started. Let me show you how I made this possible. All right, so I'm going to add a new page. And then first things first is to go and bring the background you're seeing here right now. This background you're seeing here, I have it downloaded in my phone. So I'm just going to go to my go to uploads and look for the background. All right. So you see the background here. So I click on it and I have it here. So I'm going to enlarge it, make it big. Okay. And then the next thing I'm going to do is to bring my logo and the Smartphone Academy logo. All right. So I go to upload again and I look for them. Okay. Look for the other one. Okay, so you can see I have the two logos here already. So I'm just going to adjust it so it could fit to size. All right, so watch me. So next thing I'm going to do is to bring my image. Okay, so I have it in my upload also. So you see it here. So I'm going to adjust it by the side and I will increase it a little bit. So I'm going to take it this way. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so next thing I will be doing is to add a test. Okay, so I'll add my test. So I go to my test button. So I'll add my test and I'm going to type so I did this and say, why should you learn art? Okay, I think it's why learn art. Why learn art Smartphone Academy. Okay, so when I'm done typing this, I'm going to align it to the left. So go here, align to the left. And I'm also going to change the font. So if you look at the font here, it's different. So change this font to popping. So go to fonts. I already have my fonts here. So I'm going to use popping. Okay. Then I'm also going to adjust the spacing. Okay. Now go to effect and then scroll to the very end. You see background. So you see the background here now, right? So if you want to adjust this background color, you want to change the background color to a different one entirely, just click on it again and you have access to change the color to whatever it is you want to change it to. So I'm leaving it at yellow. All right. Okay. So now I'm going to bring it here and adjust it a little bit. Okay. So the next thing I want to do is to type the reasons why they should learn here at the Smartphone Academy. Okay. So what do? I'm just going to duplicate this test. I'm duplicating it and then I will go back to my effects and remove this effect. So I click on none. Okay. Then I'm also going to change the font to this. And then I'm going to add a bullet. So come to this format and you see bullets here. Okay. So I exit and then reduce it a little bit if I want to. So the next thing you want to do is to type your reasons. So let's see the reasons we have here. Access to over 20 practical classes. So you've seen how I added the bullets. So what I'm going to do to save time is to just duplicate this. So duplicate, hold it down and move it to the page I want it to go to. All right. So I'm going to delete this and then just align this here. Okay, so the next thing I did there was this sign up button. Okay, so let me do that sign up button so you see how it was done. So I go to my elements and you see a particular button I have used before now. Okay, so you see this button here, this red button you're seeing here. Let me show you the name. So the name is called Modern Gear Rounded Rectangle. So I'm just going to click on it and it's going to appear on my page. So I changed the color to black And then if you take note, it's very, very small. So what did I do? I duplicated it. So I just I duplicate like this. And so I'm going to select both of them to group it. So I group, and so the next thing I did was to duplicate this and then go back to effects. So I'm going to say none, and then I'll change the color to white. So I'm changing the color to white, and so I'm going to edit now and say sign up now. All right, so what am I going to do next is to centralize this sign up now test. I'm going to centralize it. Okay, so zoom in so that you can adjust and make it a little bit smaller. So I'm reducing the font size a little bit. Okay, so I think this is perfect. And then the next thing I did there was I think to add the website. Okay, so just duplicate this website and then move it this way. Okay, so that is how I actually designed this simple e-flyer you're seeing now. So let me change the color. I think this color is a little bit different from the one in the previous video. Okay, just go back. Okay, so I'll go back to effects. I think that's where I can change the color. So I click on it and I'll see the color I can work with. The yellow I used before is not the one showing here. So let's say I'm going to head back. So okay, so the yellow I use is the same the one I have here now. So you can see that's how I actually created this simple e-flyer design you are seeing right now. So let me know if you're able to design something like this